In this video, we'll be replacing my old hard drive with a brand new SSD on my 3-year-old Acer laptop. Does it make a difference at all? Let's find out. Hey, what's going on guys? Alright, so I bought a Lexer 120GB SSD on Amazon for about $20 and we'll be switching out with the old and slow hard drive on my brother's 3-year-old Acer laptop because the laptop is starting to show its age and it's running very slowly, so my brother didn't want to use it at all. So with this upgrade, it will definitely boost its performance overall, and the boot times and everything will be much faster, and it will feel much more smoother as if it was a brand new laptop. And for this upgrade, you also need to have a recovery USB drive for Windows because I will be doing a fresh install on the laptop because it's using the new SSD and the SSD is empty, so I'll be needing a recovery USB drive to install Windows on it. Also, for the next video, I'll be upgrading a $100 2012 iMac and I'll be upgrading it to see it will be able to use in today's standard in 2020. So if you're interested in that, you'll probably want to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos, including the next video, which I would say is epic. Alright, so firstly, I gotta remove the back cover, and when you open it up, the first thing you will see is the hard drive itself and the RAM. So for the RAM, we will not be touching it at all because right now it is at 8GB of RAM, and I think 8 will be much more than enough for what my brother will be using it for, just mainly for typing up school documents, browsing the web, and watching YouTube. So 8GB of RAM will definitely be enough. Okay, so replacing the SSD was fairly simple. You just have to remove the old hard drive and slot in the new SSD into place. However, I tried to use the bracket that the old hard drive was using, but with the new SSD, it wasn't able to fit in place because it was slightly too thick and it wasn't able to fit it into the slot. So we just have to slot in the SSD without using the bracket at all, which I would say is kind of flimsy. You can like move around. So I use tape to make sure it doesn't move around when I carry it or shake it around. And after that, I will just need to replace back the cover and turn it on. So now I will need to put on the USB recovery drive, and Windows should be installed on the new SSD. Alright, so now with the new SSD, let's take a look at the boot times compared to the old hard drive. Okay, so as you can see, the hard drive took nearly a minute to boot up, while the SSD managed to boot up in 20 seconds. So other than this obvious boost in performance, the computer ran much more smoothly with lesser lag, and when opening up a browser, it was much quicker than on the old hard drive. So I would say if you're still using a hard drive on your laptop or your PC, SSD should be the first thing that you want to upgrade because you'll be shocked to see a drastic difference, and seeing that SSD only costs $20, it is definitely a must-have upgrade. So with that, I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.